This is South Division. South Division, this is Engine 5. We're south of you. We probably have about a 10-car pileup. We could have one injury that's checking on further injury. Okay, and just confirming, we're one, or is that a different patient? That's a different patient. Copy that. Break. Go ahead. Yeah, we've got a little patient. I'm getting word of a pregnant female, and Engine 5 is reporting a third patient. Location, please. South Division. You get a quick escape out of Colorado. South Division. South Division. Can you do a Berthoud recall, please, to cover our district? Copy Berthoud recall to cover district 929.
Huh? That is no joke. That is actually what it looks like. Holy cow. I can't even see that guy. I don't know where the ditch is.
We're checking some cars. I can try and turn around. It's wall-to-wall traffic out here. Easiest access for us to go over to the county roads and back. On South Division. Yeah, I've done a face-to-face with command. We're going to try to get some resources out of here. If you guys are done with your task, we're going to go ahead and release you.
Sure, I had you assigned to a medical on Beverly Drive. Should I assign the next two?
Yeah, I'm South Division on I-25. Our Berthoud Engine 2 should be cleared. I'm not sure their location.
Copy, we'll try and contact them.